Hello everybody! In today's video I have another interesting item that I want to share with you. I will create a beautiful pendant and I will use, among the usual tools and elements, some gold lacquer spray that I recently discovered. I like very much the result after using this lacquer, so let's see together the whole process. I started by using the comb for making some really small leaves, and the paper I used is 2.5 mm wide. The shape I began with is a circle looping. I came with the second half of the leaf previously made and I glued them together. I bent the corners in an S shape and a really cute and tiny leaf came out. Then I started making some swirls at random. I had a few pieces lying around from another project and I used those too, and you should adapt previously made pieces to your projects. Recycling is the key of the game. Now comes the fun part, because this is when I tried putting everything together in a design that spoke to me. What you see here is the short version, because to be honest, I tried combining them in several ways until I got to the final shape that I liked the best. I chose to glue them carefully after I created the design, without breaking it, because I wanted to avoid the difficult job of trying to replicate it. It is pretty difficult to do that, so try to keep steady hands while you do this. After the whole design was complete, I made a small coil that I added on top of everything, which will be used to attach the chain. Since my leaves were already glued and it wasn't such a big surface to play with anyway, I used a brush to apply the golden lacquer that I told you about. Mine comes in a small spray bottle, but I saw afterwards that you can get them in a normal bottle as well. You will find a wide range to choose from and I really like it, so you'll definitely see more of it in my next videos. To add some bling to the whole look, I added some Swarovski crystals too. What did you think, that I'll make a jewelry item without gluing some of these? Finally, I added the chain. I had this one for some time but didn't really find the thing that it would fit, until now that is, because I think it's a perfect match for this pendant. And that's it. How do you like the result? Since I use narrower paper today, the pendant is more delicate, so you can apply some normal transparent lacquer before gluing the Swarovski crystals to make everything stronger. All of today's elements can be bought from almost any craft store, including a nice chain with a simple or a more complex design. You can also order them online if you want to avoid crowds or searching for all the elements individually. Hope you enjoyed today's video and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a like. Also, let me know down in the comments if you like wearing pendants, and if so, what models, designs, shapes or sizes do you like, and maybe I'll choose one and make it in a future video. Thanks for watching and take care!